how stuff works YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at USB microphone for virtual trainings, for podcasts, for recordings which you can use on your system. It has a USB. We're going to be unpacking it, so let's unpack it. Yeah, that's it. So that's the USB mount. All we need to do is simply put it out here. We are unpacking it. It's flexible. You can position it to anywhere you want to see. That's the USB mount for injecting into your computer. It's a plug and play microphone for virtual purposes and for podcasts. All you need to do is insert it into your laptop and you are good. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing our channel, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button, the subscription button, and don't forget to click the notification button so you get videos when they drop live. Thank you once again, and don't forget to refer our channel to your friends and your loved ones.